And again, tonight, for the very first time, the public and the press can now read those redacted court documents about the Delphi double murder case. The judge overseeing the case ordered them to be unsealed today.
In the probable cause affidavit, the state lays out some of the evidence that led to Richard Allen's arrest. The document shows how a single unspent round from a gun linked him to the murders. Now, Abby and Libby were found dead near the Monon High Bridge in Delphi in 2017, just one day after being dropped off for a hike. The documents do not say how they were killed. The newly released charging document does say, though, that Allen killed Abby and Libby while committing or attempting to commit kidnapping. He's charged with 2 counts of felony murder.
The affidavit says investigators believe Allen is the man we've come to know as the man on the bridge, based on descriptions from witnesses. State police released the picture on the left from Libby's phone a day after the girls were found dead. The evidence outlined in the affidavit includes that bullet, video from a nearby store, and statements from witnesses.
Fox 59's Eric Graves spent the day in Delphi going to those key places that are listed in the court documents.
We start here at Hoosier Harvest Store. It's on County Road 300 North in between the 2 entrances to the Monon High Bridge Trail. Video from this store is mentioned multiple times in the docs. Police say they saw a car resembling Richard Allen's drive past at 1:27 p.m. the day the girls went missing. Now to the Freedom Bridge, part of the Monon High Bridge Trail passing over State Road 25. It's on the opposite end of the trail from the Monon High Bridge and near where court docs say Richard Allen said he parked his car on February 13th, 2017.
According to court documents, 3 teenage girls who came forward say they were here near the Freedom Bridge around 1:30 the day the girls disappeared. They say they saw a man in blue jeans and a blue jacket walk past. They described him as creepy. Richard Allen admitted in a police interview that he was here around the same time in the same area and saw 3 girls himself.
Next, we go back down County Road 300 North to the entrance to the Monon High Bridge Trail across from Mears Farm. The documents say the 2 victims, Abby Williams and Libby German, were dropped off here at 1:49 p.m. The 2 girls then start to walk down the trail to the Monon High Bridge.
Just 30 minutes later, Abby and Libby were here on the Monon High Bridge, which is currently under construction. This is where they encountered the man on the bridge.
At 2:13 p.m., Libby takes the video clip we've all seen where a man tells the girls. Investigators say this man was Richard Allen. Police say his description matches the man other witnesses saw that day.
Now we're off the trail on the side of County Road 300 North.
A witness says she saw a man in blue jeans and a blue jacket walking on this road just before 4 o'clock.
The witness described the man as muddy with blood on his clothes, saying he looked like he'd been in a fight. Investigators say they believe this was Richard Allen walking back to his car after the girls had been killed.
In an interview with police, Richard Allen says he walked back down the trail to his car and left around 3:30 that afternoon.
Fast forward to the next day, February 14th, 2017. Investigators find Abby and Libby's bodies back into these woods just northeast of the Monon High Bridge Trail.
In an area described as less than a quarter mile away from the Monon High Bridge, court docs say between the 2 bodies found an unspent .40 caliber round court docs say a lab proved came from Richard Allen's gun. In Delphi, Eric Graves, Fox 59 News.
Eric, thank you.